Okay, I have launched my Google Doc, alright, and I just randomly open a particular file of mine, a very old file. Okay, I used to teach discrete mathematics or DMaths, alright, but it has been a long time. Okay, fun but a long time. Anyway, okay, Google Doc has recently added a new feature inside this section over here, which is the insert. Okay, what is new over here is that now you can actually insert a watermark. So you can see you can actually insert a watermark over here. You will launch this watermark section, and of course you can insert a image or a text. Okay, and you can see this. Right, so let's say I want to insert a watermark on this document of mine. Right, I can actually type in my name. All right, and you can see they actually insert this entire watermark, all right, that has my name at the back over here. Okay, of course you can format it and so forth, right? Adjust the transparency, or you can set it to horizontal, right, or diagonal. Usually I tend to set it to diagonal because that makes it harder for someone to cut the document. So I usually tend to set it as diagonal. You can play around with the image as well. All you have to do is upload an image, all right, and then again, of course, you must remember to fade it a little, all right, so that it's transparent. Otherwise you will cover everything over here. Okay, so this is something quite new, just released not too long ago, so have fun with it. Okay, so now you do not actually have to just rely on the Microsoft to do watermarking, right, or workaround method, but you now have it inside Google Doc. All right, have fun with it. Okay, then I'll see you in the next clip.